This is a CNN special broadcast. Hello, I'm Snidely Snodgrass, and this is 2012 Earth's Polar Reversal. Like a free-floating gyroscope, the Earth can be persuaded to flip sides. 2012 is a significant year from an historical and astronomical perspective. According to astronomers, the poles of our sun will reverse towards the end of 2012. The entire planet could flip over as well as the poles. There will be additional energy shifts causing tectonic plates to move. This would result in devastating earthquakes and considerable volcanic activity. The impact to Earth will be similar to a major meteorite impact, causing mass extinction of species that mark the end of the age of the dinosaurs. The ocean currents would reverse, ice caps melt, and winds and precipitation levels alter drastically. A simple experiment to demonstrate the effect of the sun's polar reversal in 2012 is to attach a string to one side of a rotating gyroscope and spin it around your head. After the gyroscope is rotating steadily around your head, twist the string between your fingers. The torsional force of the twisted string will be transmitted along its length and will persuade the gyroscope to twist as well. In simple terms, this is the same effect that reversing the magnetic poles of the sun will have on the polar orientation of the Earth. The Earth is like a giant molten iron ball spinning through space, creating a strong electromagnetic field around it. The magma tides of molten iron are continually shifting within the Earth, causing fluctuations in its magnetic field. Like a free-floating gyroscope, it can be persuaded to flip sides. In fact, there are two forms of polar flip. The first is simply changing the orientation of the poles. For example, the North Pole would move to the south and vice versa. The second is when the poles reverse and the entire planet flips over at the same time. The strength of the magnetic field around the Earth has been waning for several thousand years, and the ability of the Earth to sustain its polar orientation has been weakening proportionally. The torsional force from the gravitational field of the sun in 2012 will affect the Earth. In simple terms, this is the same effect that reversing the magnetic poles of the sun will have on the polar orientation of the Earth. 2012 is a significant year from an historical and astronomical perspective. According to astronomers, the poles of our sun will reverse towards the end of 2012. Under the right conditions, this could have a serious knock-on effect on Earth. A sudden twist in the orientation of the sun's poles could also reverse the Earth's poles as well.